Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts up with Usibongile. She just came back from the meeting Beganayo with Unjengayo Nogwenzo and the lawyer, and she's coming back to her race room and uthola uZama. So when she gets in there, you can see uZama is busy with angazi ukuthi uya-ayina or what is she doing, but you can see ukuthi uZama is not in the mood after the way phela uSibongile spoke to her. So uSibongile angena and she's like, sawubona mnganami. uZama just keeps quiet, amzibe. And then uSibongile goes on to say, ay khuleka, like there's no need for you to respond. I just want to say ukuthi ngiyaxolisa, like you really did not deserve that Zama. uZama's like, kulungile Sibongile, like you know that type of response ukuthi uyavuma nje ukuthi like urunwe, not that you're really even in the mood to accept that apology. uSibongile goes on to say how sengizoxoxela kanjani-ke indaba like ezimnandi if you are still angry at me. uZama just rolls her eyes and keeps quiet. Sibongile goes on to say ukuthi phela abantu bakwaDlamini, they offered me a $250,000. uZama gets excited. She's like, unamanga. And she jumps up and she hugs uSibongile. And uSibongile is like, ngiyakutshela mnganami, like ngiyakuvuma, like you made the things to happen. You made things possible. And uZama is like, ngikutshelile nje, like I mean my actions and methods may not be the best, but listen, they give results. And uSibongile is like, and really indeed guys, if it was not for uZama, I don't see the Dlaminis, or I didn't foresee the Dlaminis ever offering uSibongile any type of compensation for her work. Next thing guys, where Uhlelempete get dressed in her uniform and her phone guys is buzzing a message non-stop. Basically she's pressing her phone, but kuyabonakala ukuthi hayi lento ayenzayo kubusy nje. So uThulisile noNelly, they come into her room and they're trying to talk to her. So uNelly is like, where Star? Like about which is about late for breakfast, because like she's been sitting there pressing her phone. So she's asking her which is about late for breakfast. And where's like, yes, like I didn't even recognize the time. But anyway, let me come downstairs. So Nelly goes on to say, Uthulisile actually goes on to say, siyibonile like i-podcast yakho. And ukuthi wewe like, oh but siyibonile podcast yakho. And wenzeni goes on to say ukuthi yeah phela, like I'm going to be the next big podcaster. Like did you see ukuthi ama numbers zami, ama subscribe nama like kwami ukuthi akhula kangakanani, like my channel is growing traction. Uthuli goes on to say ukuthi wewe, and you can see ukuthi ngendlela akhuluma ngakhona guys uyazinengela, because we all know everyone is scared of wenzeni in that house. So Uthuli still goes on to say ukuthi wewe okay wayithotha le thought yokuthi hlampe ukhulume like hlampe maybe ungakhulumi ngomndeni wakho, maybe ukhulume ngezinye izinto nje. Uwewe looks at her and she's like, why would I do that ngoba uyazi now ukuthi umndeni wami uphethe i-content eshisayo kabi. Then uNelly goes on to say ukuthi inkinga wenzeni like ukhipha zonke imfihlo zomndeni wakho. Wenzeni looks at her and she's like, ngilindele ukuthi ungitshele ukuthi how is that my problem? Thulisile comes in and she's like, ukuthi umndeni wakho angithi like uyazi ukuthi udumile, like umndeni wakho udumile and iyahlonishwa emabhiziniseni, like iyahlonishwa when it comes to the business world. Manje mawukhipha igaqa zabo we-internet like yabo. And then it's like, bona indaba benza like benemfihlo ezingaka nabo, like how is that my problem? Like why do they as a family have so many secrets? Anyway, uwenzeni, she notices and she recognizes ukuthi uNelly noThulisile, they are trying to talk her out of basically talking about her family business. And she tells them, lalelani la, it's either nina nizosubscribe or ningiyeke futhi phumani la endlini, ngifuna ukuthi ngibe busy ngalento engiyenzayo lana. Your guys, uNelly and uThulisile are trying to advise uwenzeni to stop doing this, but uwenzeni guys, she's not hearing anything. Basically, she is phased. She is excited about udumo that she's getting through this podcast. Okay. Anyway, we see Unjengaye, he's in the lounge or something like that. He's drinking his whiskey or his brandy, whichever it is. And Upeteni comes in and she's holding her phone in her hand. So Unjengaye merabona uPhetheni engene lounge, he starts saying ukuthi yazi eMgazini factory. You can see ukuthi Unjengaye, he's excited about this eMgazini factory, about it reopening, and he's about to say something to uPhetheni about it. And uPhetheni is like, hey, awume kancane eMgazini factory. Look at this group chat. Amnikeza phone ukuthi bakhuluma ngani kule group chat. So Unjengaye afunde these messages with group chat, and uPhetheni is like, I'm a housewife. Ayazitika ngendaba yami nothina. And Unjengaye is like, oh, like, this is all that you guys talk about, like, nikuluma, ngukuzila, bokudla, like, skin peels, like, this is all you guys talk about on this group. uPhetheni grabs her phone out of Unjengaye's hand, and she's like, ah, man, you are missing the point, Unjengaye. Ukugcina uthole umsebenzi at my favorite restaurant. And Unjengaye is like, yeah, umntana wabantu mele abeke isinkwe etafuleni phela. uPhetheni is like, no, it's not that. Uzama ukungihlambalaza mina nomndeni wami in front of abangani bami. That's why esebenza laphayana. Okokuqala, sinama-clients abadlela laphayana, sinama-clients who go and eat there. Like bazothini mebebona like my so-called daughter-in-law ekuqa phansi eskrabhana nama-floors, he? Bazothini? Like bazothini bebona ekorobha like ewashana nezitsha, like imagine. I'm like, uPhetheni, she's so selfish. She's so selfish. Like ungenaphi yena in the fact that uthina uyazizamela, but uPhetheni guys akakasifundi isifundo sakhe clearly, because for her to even be speaking like this, oh. Anyway, Unjengaye goes on to say how untombazana aselona ilunga lomndeni ethu. uPhetheni goes on to say, but abantu basama-associate nathi. Couldn't she just find umsebenzi kwenye indawo, like somewhere else, like angazi, like maybe a job efficient, cheap, like or umsebenzi wasemathilini okungcono like something nje, like not my favorite restaurant. Unjengaye, he laughs and he's like, okay, wena ufunani? Phetheni goes on to say, ushuguti mina, I won't be able to visit my favorite restaurant because I guess she decided to work them. And she goes on to say, I need to speak ne manager yakhe bamxoshe, because clearly I'm not going to stop going there because of Otainam. Unjengaye is like, ouch, like, I ingati like you being extreme about this whole thing. uPhetheni is like, no, it's damage control, Unjengaye. I wouldn't be doing all of this if your sons had a better judgment in choosing women. Fanele sidile no lokhuzana, sidile no trainer, then ngalana sidile she says mele sidile naleli qogi eli decide ukuba yi-waiter by my favorite restaurant, ngalana usibongile, like esimnike malini 250,000 for what? Like for what? Basically saying ukuthi her sons don't have good taste in women. I'm just like, where now? What about you? When you met Unjengaye, where were you? Besicela ukuthi sibize uDeliwe so she can remind you, Phetheni, ukuthi where were you when you met Unjengaye? Anyway, so Unjengaye is like, okay, like ngiyabuzwa. Then uPhetheni just walks off because she just feels like Unjengaye is not taking this thing as serious. And he's like, hey, ma, whoa, like uyaphi? Then uPhetheni turns back and she comes back. uPhetheni goes on to say ukuthi ngiyokroshisa uThina before uVusi ambone. Like, I need to fix this. I'm like, that means she knows ukuthi uVusi really loves uThina. And if uVusi sees uThina, he's going to try and get her back. But anyway, as uPhetheni walks away, uNelly, guys, she heard this whole conversation. She was busy cleaning the windows and she heard this whole conversation. And we know vele ukuthi uNelly is trying to get close to uThina or trying to be there for uThina. Anyway, we see Usbongile guys. She comes back. She's at Kopo. She comes back. Avuluiscaba gets into the house and she's like, oh, like Elvini. But you can see Uvuma shame. He's not even entertaining Usbongile. Because you know, once Usbongile came home, whenever she came home, we were going to hear, ow, Makeza. Like that's how excited he would be. But anyway, Uvuma just keeps quiet and Usbongile says, Sawbona bab. Vuma looks at Usbongile and he's like, Apfanele ugutu apfanele usesikolweni Sibongile, like, shouldn't you be at school? Sibongile goes on to say, I lutho baba bengingangeni namhlanje benginganawo amaklasi namhlanje ngase ngithi angize ekhaya. Uvuma goes on to say, oh, awukho omunye umlilo okumele siwucishe. I'm just like the shade. And Usbongile is like, cha baba, awukho kodwa ngiphethe indaba ezimnandi. Baba phela uyakhumbula the dispute with the Dlaminis regarding my compensation? Manje sebengithembisa ikota ye-million abanga baba. And that time Usbongile, she is so excited guys, telling her father these news. She goes on to say, Wuti, that means kusho ukuthi I can continue paying for my fees, my tuition fees, Eva City. She's so excited because she thought ukuthi vele ubaba wakhe is going to be happy because that's all Uvuma wants is for Usbongile to continue with isikolo. Uvuma looks at her and is like, ngempela, yilo mfana wakwaDlamini that came up niliqhenga ngithi. Like basically saying ukuthi I'm not buying it ukwenza wonke lona. Usbongile is like, cha baba, like abantu bakwaDlamini babonile ukuthi benze iphutha, so they're basically taking steps to rectify iphutha labo. Vuma's like, how? He goes on to say, kwakhuni ke ukuthi ngikholelwe lokhu ngoba like lo mfana ufike lana. Yezwa Sibongile, ufike lana wangifita wathi ukuthi yena uthanda wena. Ufuna mina. He's basically saying to Usbongile ukuthi lo mfana ufuna mina ukuthi ngibusise this relationship of you guys. Ngimethembe like I must trust him ngawe. Emva kwalokho lo mfana uzothini uthi fu ngemali. Angisona isilima mina Sibongile. Basically saying ukuthi Sibongile, listen, I know ukuthi ukwenza doing all of this so that mina I can accept him and I can have favor upon him. But basically, angisona slim. All this time Uvuma, when he's saying that Usbongile ukhamisile, guys, she's surprised because remember, Usbongile didn't even know shame that Ukwendo came to her father as or coming to ask for his blessing. She didn't know anything like that. So she's confused. She's just standing there quiet, guys. I get there at a restaurant, guys. Utrina is getting orders wrong. She's apologizing. Xolisa kwelinye customer ukuthi ngiyaxolisa for getting your order wrong. I'm gonna get the right thing. And the manager is basically shouting at her and saying to her, ukuthi qina kanti yini, like uyawufuna lo msebenzi, like why ngathi awukho serious, like since excelling nje you've been getting orders wrong. And uqina sathi ngiyaxolisa, yes ngiyawudinga lo msebenzi, inkinga ukuthi ngikhathele. Kanti hayi qina as a waitress, but I understand guys, she's not used to this type of work. But the manager basically says ukuthi sisi bengicela ukuthi uzixoxe, get yourself together if ngempela uyawudinga lo msebenzi. While the manager khuluma kanjalo, then uNelly angeneke. And then uNelly says, Sister, like, I just heard the tone of your manager, asibonge kumedem. Basically saying ukuthi asibonge. So uNokuzana uNelly thought ukuthi the reason why the manager is speaking to Trina like this is because uPhetheni had already spoken to the manager. Kanti ngalesi sikhathi uPhetheni had not spoken to the manager. So Nelly basically goes on to say, kodwa ngiyacela Trina, like don't let ungamvumeli, don't let her get you down. And then uTrina's surprised ukuthi like how Nelly like awume like was kanjani ngalokho, like how do you know that? So uTrina's assuming that uNelly is talking about the previous interaction that she had where uPhetheni benumganakhe uSlee was basically insulting her. Kanti uNelly yena, she's talking on the fact that she she eavesdropped, or she heard uPhetheni speaking to unjengaye, so she thought ukuthi uPhetheni already spoke to the manager. So uNelly goes on to say ukuthi it's not important how I know, mina nje I'm just here ukuthi ngikukhuthaze to encourage you ukuthi ungavumeli uPhetheni ukuthi awine. Like don't allow her, because vele her intention is to get you down. Ugcina-ke athi mina angicabangi ukuthi like I can do this anymore, because like the way uPhetheni nabangani bakhe, the way they insult me bebe lana, I don't think I can do this. But uNelly goes on to say ngiyacela, don't allow her. When uyazi ukuthi uze ngani lana, you know why you got this job and why you need this job. So bengicela ukuthi just put a smile on your face, serve the customers, and do extremely well. Do your best, because vele uPhetheni, she's on a mission. And then you can see ukuthi vele uLokhuzana uGcina, she is a bit encouraged, you guys. But I don't know how long that's going to last, because uPhetheni is mad disrespectful, you guys. I get uWenzo comes into Unjengaye's office and he basically tells Unjengaye ukuthi baba ngicabanga ukuthi mina I am the best person to run Emkazini factory. And Unjengaye is like ngobani? And then uWenzo goes on to say ukuthi because I think like I'll be of more use that side. Unjengaye just looks at uWenzo and is like, oh, ulandelela intokazi. Oh, ulandela intokazi, like you following leya ntombazana ethiwa uSibongile ke. And then he's like, ngiyabona phela. Obviously Unjengaye, guys, he's a man, he sees these things, and Wenzel's like, okay, yeah, like ngifuna ukuthi ngiprove, I want to prove to Sibongile's father that I'm the right man for his daughter. So ngiyacela baba ukuthi like just allow me ukuthi ngiyosebenza eqobo, because if ngisebenza eqobo, if ngisebenzisana nabantu bakhona, like bazongisiza, like they are going to help me to put in ama-point before uvuma. Unjengaye goes on to say ukuthi I can get bhadi ngikudinga la eThekwini. Wenzel's like, awukahle baba, like uVusi's around, uyena ozobamba izinto la eThekwini. Plus you need a reliable person le eqobo, since it's a new thing, you starting all over again. Unjengaye is like, I'm not ready to trust uVusi. Uwenzo goes on to say ukuthi how baba, like how long will you be angry at uVusi? I'm sure he will work well, futhi if amthemba ngithi makasebenzela ngalana ungamgada kahle. So that's a good opportunity for uVusi to asebenze ngaphansi kwakho, underneath your supervision this side. But Unjengaye ends up agreeing, guys, and says, okay, fine, Emkazini eyakho. Ukwenzo abonge again. He's like, thank you, Baba. I promise you I won't disappoint you. And Unjengaye goes on to say, I know you won't. One thing about Unjengaye, guys, he believes in Ukwenzo, and I don't even doubt Ukwenzo is going to do an exceptional job there at Topun. We also see another scene where uSamke and uSibongile, they are speaking, and uSamke is like, what unjani? uSibongile like, how are you doing? And uSibongile opens up to her and tells her, listen, I'm not okay. I'm very disappointed. I thought like le ndaba bengiphathela ubaba about the compensation from the Dlaminis, that it was going to make ubaba happy, but he's not happy, so I really am disappointed. I'm not okay with that. Ngalana uKwenzo bekacabangani by coming to my father ngakhulumanga nami, vele sazi ukuthi vele kunomlilo with already into kaJabu engixosha. So that type of thing. And uSamke is like, yazi Sibongile, inika isikhathi, give him time. Ithi ngikhulume naye, like let me try and speak to him, but I'm sure he's going to come around. Just give him time to warm up. Okay, we also see another scene, guys. Ukhuzwayo noSamke, they are back at it, basically threatening one another. Ukhuzwayo gets into Samke, isitolo sikaSamke, and uSamke is sweeping. And he's like, phela mina ngiphethe imfihlo zakho. And uSamke is like, Aibo, I'm not the only one on this earth onemfihlo, so do whatever, basically. But uSamke basically tells Ukhuzwayo ukuthi phela uphaphama ungitshele ngendaba zakho ukuthi wena phela you the one that stole inkomo zikaVuma. I remember that story of Inkomo Zikavuma. So Usamke basically says, Wuti, I know about it and I know Kuzwayo, you the one who's involved in it. So these two have secrets on one another, you guys, and they're busy threatening one another. So Samke basically says, Wuti, if we are cleaning fihlo yam, nam gay cleaning fihlo yakho. So I don't know but these ones what game are they playing, but I really hope Wutage limala between them because the both of them are willing to go down or willing to stoop as low as they can because both of them have something to protect. Usamke has the relationship no Vuma that she has to protect, but no Kuzwayo guys, that's his only family since Uteliwe engasekho. We see uNomfundo and uNjengayo gets into Nomfundo's house and is like, sengifigile, what was it ephuthumayo that you needed to tell me? And uNomfundo responds and says, umfazi wakho. Phela angazi ukuthi if umfazi wakho ucabanga ukuthi ngisamsebenzela, do I still work for her? Because ufike lana ngitshela ngama-boundaries. Like, ahlanganaphi ama-boundaries nengane yami? And Unjalaya is like, I'm sure azange ayibeke kanjalo, you know. And Nomfundo is like, oh, we am kulumela. And Unjengaya is like, Hisumoya, like, I know Wuti umfana serahlala nami, and you're probably feeling lonely, you miss him. So I guess that's where you are coming from, but I'm going to try and fix the situation. I don't know which is Saranjani, but I'm just like, Nomfundo needs to get over herself. She can't be doing that. Mele vele afunda ma boundaries, because you can't be coming into someone's house ekseni kanjalo. Like, no. Mrs. Dlamini, guys, she decides to go to Utrina's workplace and medafila lapayana, the manager's like, Mrs. Dlamini, ngingabthela litafile and whatnot. And she's like, no, I don't need a table. In fact, I'm here to speak to you. Upheteni starts with something ukuthi yazi ever since this restaurant yavula, like I've always loved it, I support it, like I love it, but hey, kunentombazane entsha lana bathi ubani uCina iyathinti what iyatatazela, yeah, she says iyatatazela leyangani, like iyatatazela, and like her service basically is terrible. So bengicela ukuthi umxoshe. Yes, the manager is trying to say, hi, usanda kufika. She's new. She's trying to learn izinto ini. And Mrs. Dlamini is basically saying ukuthi abanguthi angizwa kahle. Mina nabangani bam, we spend a lot of money in this restaurant. Unless ufuna ukuthi sithathe ibhizinesi lethu or sithathe imali yethu and then find another restaurant. So either uyamqasha le ntombazana or either you keep us. But you can see I saw that uPhetheni was there. I'm like, uPhetheni, shame. She's so petty. Lastly, guys, we see a scene where Uvuma is eating supper. It looks like they done eating supper. Uvuma, Usbongile, and Uvelepe. So Uvelepe and Usbongile gets up, so they're about to take the dishes to the kitchen. And as Usbongile is about to follow Uvelepe, Uvuma says, Sbongile bin alutuhlale phansi. Sbongile sits down. Then Uvuma says to Sbongile, ngifuna ukuthi uyibuyisele yonke leyo mali. Hey, bo, Uvelepe is like, iphi imali, like, what money? I'm like, ndlela ayithanda ngakhona, Uvelepe imali, like, imagine, they're not even speaking to her. Uvuma goes on to say ukuthi leya mali is a trap and bazoyisebenzisa leyo mali so that they can forever have a hold on you. So ibuyisele leyo mali, it's a trap. Yo, Usbongile, shame, she tries to say, kodwa baba, he's like, yay. Like, angikubuzi ngiyakutshela, buyisela leyo mali. Then the episode ends, you guys. Guys, Uvuma is kind of being selfish. I understand he is being a parent, but, well, maybe he's not being selfish. He's trying to look out for Usbongile. But I'm like, just allow the child to make her mistakes if she has to. Guys, she needs the money. So angazi ukuthi what must happen at this point, because Sbongile doesn't have the money. Where is she going to get a bursary during the year? Uvuma doesn't have that money. You can't take a loan for that. So what must happen? Usbongile melahlale phansi. Angazi, guys. Anyway, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.